Hello mga idol, so kasama kong isa sa mga Arabo dito sa Pilipinas. Surur!
Ambot!
Sulul! Sulul, what can you say here in the Philippines?
Philippines is the best. You must visit it. You must visit it.
Why the best?
You see in my videos.
Because?
The food is good. People is nice. Everything is nice.
More Arabo!
Yes.
Coming na!
Maratino travel.
Emeratino traveler!
He's coming!
Yay! Let's go! Tell us, what is the words that I mean, anong mga natutunan mo na ngayon?
I have error on my system because most of them they speak Bisaya.
Ay, Bisaya ba? Hindi Tagalog?
I forget.
Is the words that you learned from Bisaya?
Mabuhay.
That's not Bisaya! It's Tagalog, it's normal.
Balik-balik.
Anong balik-balik? Parehas lang yun. Tagalog din yun.
Oh, also this is Tagalog?
Oo, balik-balik. Balik-balik ka dito, ganon.
That one, forget.
Ambot lang, alam mo yung uon kita?
Ano? Sambagon Tikaron?
Ayan, yan.
This is Bisaya, ano?
Yeah, what did you learn?
Sambagon Tikaron.
What's the meaning?
It means I will punch you.
Ay, bye.